Let's ride.
Hi, we now join our host, Mr. Ghost, in an earnest celebration.
I got a little secret for you. Come here. No, closer. I don't make deals with peasants!
The western half of the U.S. as we speak, a massive winter storm. It's already dropped more than 5 feet of snow in some areas, and there are blizzard warnings in effect across multiple states. It stretches thousands of miles, and it's headed for the Plain States as we speak. Manuel Bojorquez is there in Fort Morgan, Colorado. Manny, good morning. How's it looking where you are?
Well, the snow has been coming down here for the last several hours, and there's a wind that's coming with it that at times just whips up and makes things miserable. People in this area can expect to see about 9 inches of snow and experience some whiteout conditions, which is the reason for all of those warnings.
15 minutes later.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year.
Well, you got me. By all accounts, it doesn't make sense.
Devastating pictures that we have here. We're here on Farm Market 730, just to give you a perspective of where we're at. And right behind me is where you just see the devastation right there. So you can see this house right here. Roof is, you can see that it is severely damaged. I was told that about, I'd say 6 people were in this house when the storm hit, and you can see just debris pretty much everywhere in front of the house. And I got to tell you, I have to be careful from where I'm walking around this area, just because there are power lines also that are down as well. So you have to be careful, especially as where you have to walk. We do have traffic that is behind us, and they're slowly, making their way through. But this area is just a sad story here. And I'm gonna have my photographer kind of zoom into the back of the house, kind of like in the corner. You can see the house. We were told that
This is how legends are born.